In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to eliminate Yahoo search from Chrome. If your searches keep redirecting to Yahoo and you'd rather use another provider, this quick walkthrough will help you take back control of your address bar and clean up any leftover entries that might be causing confusion. Start by opening Chrome on your computer. In the top right corner, click the three dots. This is the More menu. From there, choose Settings. The Settings page is where Chrome stores all of your preferences, including which search engine the address bar uses. On the left side of the Settings page, click Search Engine. This section directly controls what happens when you type into the address bar. At the top, you'll see an option labeled Search Engine used in the address bar. Open that drop-down and select Google or whichever provider you prefer. Changing this ensures that new searches from the address bar go to the right place. Next, click Manage Search Engines and Site Search. This page shows every search engine Chrome knows about, plus shortcuts Chrome creates for searching specific sites. It's helpful because even after you switch your default, old entries can remain here and sometimes get reselected by mistake. Look through the list for any entry labeled Yahoo. You might see it under Default Search Engines or under Site Search. Click the three dots to the right of the Yahoo entry and choose Delete. If you notice multiple Yahoo entries, go ahead and repeat that delete action for each one. If the delete option is grayed out, it usually means that entry is currently set as the default. In that case, make sure you've already switched your default in the previous step. Once it's no longer the default, the delete option will become available. Removing these entries doesn't uninstall Chrome or affect your bookmarks or passwords. It simply clears out search providers you don't want to keep. Think of it as tidying up your search list so Chrome can't accidentally fall back to Yahoo. After you've set your preferred engine and removed Yahoo from the list, your address bar should consistently use the provider you chose. If you still notice unexpected behavior later, it could be due to an extension or another program changing your settings, but the adjustments you've made here are the essential fixes inside Chrome. That's it. You opened Chrome, went into Settings, set your preferred search engine, and removed Yahoo from the managed list. With those changes in place, your searches should now stay exactly where you want them.